What's good, y'all? Mixmaster Jayon coming at you. We got another video right here. Woo! Let's go. We're back. So let's bring this in. Boom. Another one of the Simpson collabs. This is finally bringing y'all the part 2. Finally bringing you the other shoe I was talking about. Boom. As you already know, that's on the inside. This on this side. This on the back. We got this on the side. Along with the bottom. Oop. Flip that over. Let's see. Let me zoom in on this a little bit. Yeah. This is roughly what the whole conversion and everything else, what the bottom looks like. So good. Alright, so let's get into this one. Oh, I show you got a tag really. Just like I said, I got a 10.5. This one, Itchy and Scratchy pair. Last time I had an Obarto, got the Itchy and Scratchy pair. Oh, because it took me so long to update. Actually, I got another pair of the Simpson Vans collab. Video will be coming. This is known as the era Simpsons, Itchy and Scratchy's, US men's 10.5, US women's 12. Cool. It's a vibe. So let's get into it. Just as always, we got the clouds on the paper. Now let's see what we got here. Ooh. Just like the last pair, I laced these up just for the video. This is about how far it goes down after lacing it up. Good old crusty. Itchy and Scratchy covered full thing. Itchy and Scratchy show on the back. This nice brown on the bottom. Still sticks out. Actually, I have looked at other pairs of these. I actually went into the van store, saw a full collection. For some reason, a bunch of the whole Simpsons collab, I didn't look at a few other Vans. I didn't really look at that many because I really want to get some more to collab. So all of them had this on the back of the El Barto and these. So yeah, apparently it's meant to be like this. So, nice black around here. I'm full around to white. Got white right here, yellow laces, yellow internals. We got the blue sole. Still pretty cushy. This thing feels pretty good when I tried it on. Up underneath the tag here. Oh, I didn't expect us to have him. A nice little cameo by Homer's dog. But well, Poochie always confused me a little bit because he's made cameos after Homer decided to stop voicing him. So, and he got killed off originally. So does Homer still voice him and get a check or what? This doesn't make it. It just really doesn't make that much sense to me. Or are they bringing somebody new who could also do the voice? Who cares though? It really doesn't matter that much. Still a nice cameo. Let me grab the other one. Boom. Pretty much exactly identical. Even got the Itchy and Scratchy show on the bottom. Let's see. Look. Yeah, got Krusty on there. Put those out of the way. Yep. Pretty much matching pairs. Looks awesome. Here, yep, we got Poochie too. So he's just a nice little hidden detail. But it is, like I said earlier, it's always going to be down here. So you don't even have to worry about it with it being straight down there. So you can lace up any way you want. Like if you want to have so you go up here and double it back and go across or something like that. Like I've seen people do some really creative stuff with some laces. So depending on how much time and patience you have and what you actually want to do, you can do a lot. So let's see. Let's see what else we got here. Just like the last time, Simpson Vans tag, macaroni on the back, 20th Century Fox. Nothing too major. Yeah, we still got the Vans sticker. I'm not actually sure what to do with this one because I already put one on the back of my thing. Let's see. We got the paper. Just empty box. Pretty cool. Alright, we're good. We got Moe's and Toots. And then we have the house. We got the couch. Like out of all of them, this isn't my favorite, but I'm really glad to have it. This one makes, like, there's so few things I actually see with Itchy and Scratchy on it. So I'm most definitely gonna end up wearing these once I find something I can actually wear it with. Like, I'm gonna end up finding an Itchy and Scratchy shirt somewhere that'll go with these. Second I do, these gonna be coming out almost all the time. Alright, so it's about the time where I switch it over into some B-roll, so we'll be off.